Let's learn how to convert 2 base 10 to base 2. Solution. To do this, we divide repeatedly by 2 until further division is no longer possible. And how do we do that? We draw a table first. We place the number given 2, 2, 2 at your right hand side, and at your left hand side you place the base you are converting it to, which is 2 in this case. Then we start dividing. 2 goes in 220. We have 2 goes into, we have 1. 2 goes into 1. 2 goes into 1. That means remainder 0. We don't have any remainder. We keep on dividing by the base we are converting it to, which is 2. So we have 2 here. 2 goes in 1. 2 goes in 11. That's 5. Remainder 1. 2 goes in 11 again. That's 5, which is 10. So what do we have? We have a remainder of 1. Keep dividing by the base you are converting it to, 2. 2 goes in 5. That's 2, remainder 1. 2 goes in 15. That's 7, which is 14. Remainder 1. So you have 27, remainder 1. Keep dividing by 2 again. So you have 2. 2 goes in 27. You have 13. Remainder 1. Divide by 2 again. 2. 2 goes in 13. That's 6. 6 times 2, that's 12. If you take away 12 from 13, you have a remainder of 1. 2. 2 goes in 6. That's 3. Remainder 0. 2. 2 goes in 3. That's 1. Remainder 1. 2. 2 goes in 1. You can't see 2 in 1. So what do we have? That's 0. But you have a remainder of what? 1. Then we take our remainders upwards. So therefore, our 2 base 10 is equal to 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 base what? Base 2. And that's how to convert 2 base 10 to base 2.